Welcome back to my morning report chart proposals on Wednesday 21st September with me, Richard Paramarket, analyst at Hantec Markets. Going to look at dollar yen now, and obviously dollar yen is the big one today, the big volatility chart, and looking on the daily, basically a big long-legged doji. Let me just show you that chart again that I showed you in the morning daily market overview, whereby we saw the initial yen strength up to 102.78, but we've actually retraced back 100 pips already. As the sort of European session has really sort of taken hold, and the market initially obviously gave a bit of a thumbs up to the BOJ, but seems to be more tentative now. Seems to have sort of tried to basically held on to that 101.18. I mean, yes, 101 figure. Well, what odd thing that the daily chart shows 101.09, but yet the hourly chart on Reuters shows 101.01 as today's low. Who knows what that means? But anyway, so the reaction though obviously is around about 101 figure. Let's just say that, and it's still uncertain as to in terms of the direction. There's no real sort of breakout level that's been broken. I'm saying 103.35 is the level that the bulls need to sort of work towards. If you saw a move above that, that would take you clear of this big long-term downtrend, and really would start to sort of suggest that the bulls are gaining a little bit more of a foothold in this market after having been so bearish for so long. But the technicals are still sort of negative really, and you're still sort of trending lower, so you haven't broken that figure yet, and I think the market is basically now waiting for the Fed. If the Fed comes out with a hawkish hold, then perhaps 103.35 could come under a bit of pressure again perhaps in the coming days, but certainly not yet. Certainly the market is still a bit cautious, sort of coming back towards basically flat on the day, and nothing really doing yet in terms of direction. Just a bit of volatility added into the market. Today's high 102.78 initially is the resistance in front of the Fed now, but 103.35 is your main line of resistance, which has been the consolidation the last couple of weeks, the consolidation resistance. But no real direction gained yet from this BOJ decision. Seems as though the market is waiting for the Fed. So as you were pretty much with the added little bit of volatility. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.